Yeah, hello fam, welcome back to HumbleFx, and today we are going to be talking about a very unique and awesome style to trade the boom 300, crash 300, and every other indices that you think of. This is price action. Okay, if you see this pattern, I just saw this thing happening, and I decided to show you guys that this is a very nice setup, that I'm not afraid of spike because I know it's a nice setup. So how does this work? Please guys, before we proceed, if you are new to the channel, please go ahead and give me a subscribe, like the video, comment on the comment section, and also share to family and friends. This is only first signing in. All right, we're talking about a very important setup happening on boom 300 as we speak. Now this is it, guys. I go up to my daily time frame. Okay, I go down to my daily time frame. Now look at what happening here. If I check on my daytime frame line, I'm seeing that there's something happening here. This is a range left that happens in the past, and price has come back to it here. Price is currently at that level. So what do I expect that will happen in this place? I expect that the market is going to go down, even though the market might be an uptrend, it might start to go uptrend, but before it breaks this region, it is going to take lot. It's going to take days, even if it is weak. We have taken trades here many times in that region, and still it's still going to respect it even right now. So I should take trade. I've seen that the market is a very important zone. Now let us check also for week one. Let's check on the weekly time frame. Now, same thing happening here on the weekly time frame. If we check on the weekly time frame, we are going to see that there is rejections here happened in the past. Market come back to it. This is a very strong zone. It happens on a long, is a high time frame signal that you can take for a very good time, make your profits, and that's it. So now you see, I over leverage this account. I over leverage because I know that this thing, it will not blow my account. It will not blow my account. I will make some good profit here. So I go down to 4 hour time frame again. Now here you even see it more clearer. Here it even becomes more clearer, guys. Now the 4 hour time frame here, you see recent happenings here. Recent happenings. This rejection is happening here. So that market come back here. We enter this market. We took it. We took the short one here. Now is also there again, so we should expect market to go down from there. Okay, this is very awesome. 4 hour time frame, you see rejections happening there. If you don't know how to find these rejections, look at this happens in the past and market come back to it here. So what do we expect to happen? We expect markets not to break it just like that. We trace this down from the weekly time frame to daily time frame. Now we are on a day of 4 hour time frame, and still we have that strong resistance level. Okay, this thing has formed. If I even seen this thing here, we see that it's already a very awesome region that we expect price to also come down at least to this level. This levels here, this is where we expect price to reach. So if price can come down to this point from where we enter, we know how much you would make. So if you are seeing this video now and you check your price and you see the price market where it is, you can actually take and join me in this trade and let us make it together. All right, let us go down again to 1 hour time frame. Now at this point, we are still seeing that you see in the past and the present, we have something happening here, guys. In the past, we have something. There is a spike happening now. Just spiked against me, but we don't fear about that. We're not afraid. In the past, something happened here. In the past, here also, and now happening here. So what do we expect? We expect market to move down from there, to move from that side. Also, it happened here. Look at the region here. So this is what you check in order to take a very good trade that will make you good profit. Okay, so this is an awesome trade, guys. Now let us go down to 30 minutes time frame. Right here is even more clearer, guys. It is even more very clearer in a 30 minutes time frame. If we check out here, you see something happening here. This is past and the present. So we don't expect market to go just come and break that level just like that. It's not so easy to just break that level, even though it might go, it's going to break out finally, but it's going to be struggle. It's going to do some big time struggling for it to break down. So we take that advantage of struggle to make profit. That's why you see I use a very big lot size. Now go down to M15. See something here. If you go down to M15, we'll see a triple top on the M15 market. We'll see a triple top. We see here, we see here, and we see here. It's now a triple top, a good entry that we should take TP somewhere here in this time frame. First TP there, second TP going here, third TP going here. See that these are TP. If you can take this market from here down to this point, I bet you have made a lot of profit. All right, this is price action incline. You see that we don't use indicators in this one. No indicator is used right here. Okay, now let's go down to 5 minute time frame. All right, even still here we see is still a clear formation. We still have a clear formation, guys. We still have a very clear formation in the 5 minute time frame, right? Just as what we saw in the other places is happening here, right here. This region here is a very strong region. All right, now let's go down to the 1 hour one time frame. Okay, even though at this point, if you are a scalper, you can scalp this market, and your TP, first TP is this small arrow here, second TP should somewhere here, third TP something like this. This is a scalper take profit regions. Now let us check other pairs. Since we have seen this one, let's check for crash 300 to see what is happening there. You see this crash 300. See that this is also a very important trade, guys. This is also a very nice setup that we could have used to make this market successfully. We can make it successfully. Yeah, very awesome market, guys. Very awesome. Because look at what we are looking at in this particular point. The market come down here. This is the past. Now market come down to the present here. So this place here is what should be taken as a sniper. What happened here? We expect it as a TP to reach somewhere here. Somewhere there is a TP. See what market is going down like this. So guys, once you see something like this, guys, you have to take your trade. Once you check the price market, check your entry positions, then you have to take your trade without fear of any loss or any spike. You don't have to fear about the spike. Just take your entry and keep it going. Take your entry and keep it, ride it like never before. Ride it like never before. It is just like that. You don't have to be afraid. I think I should take entry, but I don't know if my account can take this entry. Let me see. Yeah, thank God you can take it. So I will take entry there also. Let me see if I can take two positions. No, I can take two, only one. Yeah, so this is it, guys. This is how we do it. This is how we do it in this place. Right, even though this is a late entry, but I still think I can get up to 20 pips or thereabout before a spike start to happen in that market. Very simple as that, guys. All right, guys, see you in the next video, and please give me a comment on the comment section, like the video, comment and share to others. Give me a thumbs up so that once we put a new video across, you're going to get access to it. All right, see you in the next video, and until then, I remain HumbleFx. Enjoy.